Since 1995, the City of Carlsbad has been highlighting an array of impressive artwork by local, regional, and national artists in the Carlsbad Sculpture Garden. This outdoor gallery space provides a natural setting for the artwork to take center stage and allow visitors to unwind and enjoy. Now, let's get to know one of the artists behind their work of art.
The name of this piece is Heliotrope 3. This piece is a series of heliactical sculptures that I've been working on for several years now. The heliactical shape is just very intriguing to me. It's in everything. It really is a symbol of resilience. Then adding movement to it really takes on another life. Using the dichroic glass in a mosaic form, which I mostly always do, there's little reflections of all the garden around it. It's interacting with the whole space. You know, I've been in shows here before, and it's just a very precious, intimate little space. And it's an intimate enough space that everything has its own presence, but they all kind of relate at the same time. I don't think I became an artist. I think I was born an artist. I started in stained glass. When I moved to San Diego, I discovered the dichroic glass with light on it, and I just kind of took off from there. I was just so enchanted with it. It's got this enormous strength, but it's also got transparency and fragility. It makes it the most magical material to me.
The Sculpture Garden, a temporary art installation by the City of Carlsbad's Library and Cultural Arts Department, provides a greater awareness of local and regional artists and heightens the visibility of the arts in Carlsbad. These pop-up arts experiences reflect current trends, spark curiosity, and prompt ongoing dialogue on the role of art in daily life, in alignment with the city's Arts and Culture Master Plan. In addition to our temporary public art experiences, the Carlsbad Cultural Arts Office presents a robust series of concerts, exhibitions, special events, arts educational opportunities, and permanent public art installations. Check out our website for more information.